everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree. If you haven't already hit that subscribe button or that notification bell, go ahead and do so. That way you will not miss any video that I upload. What I wanted to do is go through my budget for the first paycheck, close it out, and I want to check to see how much cash I have left. But before we do that, I do need to go over my spending. I don't know what I thought I was about to say, but yeah, I want to go over my spending with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. I want to zoom in, that way you can actually see what I'm doing. When it comes to the 19th, which is where I left off, on the 19th, that was a no spend. When it comes to the 20th, that was another no spend. When it comes to the 21st, of course, this is a no spend because I did just go to the grocery store to get groceries. So I ran out of those no spend stickers, so I just need to grab these here from Planner Craven. And I'll just put that right here. On the 22nd, which was a Tuesday, that was a no spend, and this marks the first paycheck, well, not the first, but the second paycheck of February, which that was a no spend also. And if I be real about everything, today, which is the 24th, which is when I'm recording this, I didn't spend any money here either. And I did finally go to the ATM to get money out. Comes to Save a Lot. I went to Save a Lot and I spent $57. But of course, it was $56 and some change. I just round up. When it comes to Kroger, I did spend $4. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 no spend so far for the month of February. So let's go ahead and turn to the actual budget. And I've already written out everything. So for the second part, which was the 17th through the 23rd, I did spend $61. And I should have $26 left. When it comes to gas, I did not get any more gas. When it comes to laundry, I did have that same amount from the last time left over, which was $15.75. So what I'm going to do with the $15.75 is roll that into the new budget, which I'm not going to add it to my new budget or make it a line item. I'm just going to use it for when I do have laundry, which I did end up watching laundry yesterday. We went to the laundromat yesterday. So this amount here for $15.75, that amount. When it comes to food, I should in fact have $26 left. And I think what I'm going to do is start using my rollover for my Roth IRA account. So I should have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, $26 for food. So I'm going to take this cash and I'm just going to get the other binder. And let's see, is all of this in order? No, it's not. So what I'm going to do is just keep adding cash to the rollover. These envelopes here are by Brianna Life and Budgets. She did stop making laminated envelopes. So I have the money added to my rollover envelope, which I did make many months ago on the Cricut. So at the bottom, it just says rollover laundry $15.75 to next bi-weekly, which again, I'm not going to add this in the budget because those quarters here are pretty much spent. When it comes to put $26 into rollover, I did just do that. So that makes this a zero base budget. So that's it for this video. Pretty short, pretty simple. And I do hope you guys have a great rest of your night. I'm going to re-record, well, not re-record, but ow, I just hit my finger. I'm going to record a second paycheck video for February. Bye.